Hey guys, welcome back to another video. And in this video I want to talk about loops in C programming. So I want to go ahead and create a program that will do something like the following. I'm going to have it here. Let me get that star. So I want to create a program that do something like printing 1 and then a print 2 2 and then a print 3 3 3 and then 4 4 times and then 5 5 times, and so on and so forth. Just gonna put dot dot. For whatever number I specify. If I specify 1, it only prints 1. If I specify 2, it'll print the 1 and then it'll print the 2 2 as well. If I specify 3, it'll print 1, 2 2, and 3 3. So let's go ahead and get started here. So first I'm going to include my library or header file, stdio.h. And then I'm going to create my main function, and I'm going to return the value 0, letting me know that the program ran with no errors, or error messages was what I was about to say. And let's go ahead and get started. So obviously I need loops and I need variables to iterate through these loops. So I'm going to go ahead and create my I and j variables. And I haven't actually thought about this too much, but I saw one of my friends talking about him having to do a loop like this when he was in school. So let's see how it might be done. Let's see, I equals 0. I is going to be less than, okay, n, we need a value that's going to specify how far we want to go. So maybe I set that to 5 for now, since we have it going from 1 to 5 in the example here. Okay, so then I is going to increment by 1 each time. And then within this loop, well, let's see. Within this loop, we probably want another loop. So for j equals 0, j is going to be less than, let's see here. J is going to have to be less than, so our loop is going to run 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. And I need the inner loop to run I times. That's what it is. Because our I is 1 here, I would be 2 here, I would be 3 here, I would be 4 here, and I would be 5 here. So this is going to be I. And then J is going to J is going to increment by 1 each time. Okay, and then use brackets. And then I'm going to print F. Okay, I already see a problem here. I started I at 0, but in my example here, I'm starting everything at 1. So I need to start I at 1. And my j value needs to start at 1 as well. And if I'm going to go up to 5, I need this to be equal to, less than or equal to 5. I need this to be less than or equal to I. Okay, so let's see here. So we're going to print, I think we want to print, well, obviously either I or j. So let's see here. Again, what we have is a 1 here. So I would want to print 1. I want to print 2 times. So I want to print I. That's what I want to print, because I will be 1 here. We're going to print I once. I is going to be 2 here. We want to print I twice. So it's going to be I. And I think, should that do it? No, because every time we're done with the first loop, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5, every time we're done with this loop here, we want to go to the next, or go to a new line. So every time we're done with this outer loop here, we want to go to a new line. So let's see, print f, and I'm going to do, of course, \n for new line, and then semicolon, and let's see if that'll do it. Let's see, we'll call this maybe loop.c and save it. Okay, I put forward slash and not backslash in. So let's put the backslash in. Oh, perfect. That looks beautiful. So we get exactly what we wanted. 1, then 2, 2, 3, 3, 3, 4, 4, 4, 4, and then 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. And let's try it for some really big number. So all we have to do is change this n value here. Let's try 100. See what it looks like. It looks ugly. But maybe I'll try something smaller, like maybe 50. No, let's try 25. That should be pretty good. Yeah. So I see the double digits kind of mess up the spacing a little bit. But yeah, that's basically it. So thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'm definitely going to put up many more videos on C programming, some on Haskell as well. So please keep watching and subscribe. Leave any comments, questions that you have. And you can also become a supporter on Patreon. So thank you guys again for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.